Lesson 4, the surface area of a wedge. Well, a wedge shown here is officially called a triangular prism. Triangle referring to 3 walls, and prism means, as in this slice of pie, which is a wedge, that the top and the bottom are parallel to each other. I prefer to use wedge, and that's what we're going to look at. In fact, here's a wedge here. It consists of a slope that is 10 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. The slope is built on a pair of triangular walls, making it high at the back. The walls are 6 centimeters by 8 centimeters. And of course, there's one on each side. The bottom of the wedge is 2 centimeters by 8 centimeters. And the back is 2 centimeters wide by 6 centimeters tall. In all, 5 surfaces. I think we should draw the net. We'll put it down here. So the blue region, the bottom, is 8 centimeters long and 2 centimeters wide. It's clearly not to scale. 8, 2. And so that's the same region as shown in blue in the wedge. Now, right along here, we see attachments to the 2 triangles. These are right angles, and they flip down. This angle right here is the same as that one and this one. So here we go. Now the slope is 10 centimeters long. That makes these 10 centimeters. Let's just not use units right here. The back is this green region here. It falls down, and it's attached right here, giving us 6 by 2. 6 by 2, and it's green. All that's left of this wedge to draw into the net is the sloping face. I'm going to have it basically open up this way, which means that it's going to be attached to this side, and it will come down 10 centimeters long, not to scale. 10 centimeters this side and that side. They have to pair up. Oh, my diagram is not to scale. However, we have all the numbers on it that we need, so I'm just going to go with it like this. Here is our net, and we have 5 sides to add together to get the surface area. We'll start with the bottom. The surface area of the wedge is equal to the area of the bottom, which is equal to 8 centimeters long by 2 centimeters wide, or 16. We also need the area of, we'll call it the back, and the area of the back is equal to 6 centimeters by 2, or 12. The area of the slope is given by 10 centimeters by 2. Now, you might look at these 3. They're all related. You could add them together in a different way. You could go 8 plus 6 plus 10, all times 2. And then the last thing that we have is the area of the triangular wall. Now, the area of a triangle is equal to 1/2 the base, which is 8, times the height, which is 6. 1/2 8 times 6. But there are 2 triangles, right? So we'll times by 2 again. And that works out to 48. There we have it. The surface area of the wedge is equal to 16 on the bottom, 12 on the back, 20 on the slope, and a total of 48 from the two walls. The surface area of the wedge is 96 centimeters squared. Please move on and give the guided practice for lesson 4 a try. On the other hand, if at this moment you feel like you need a little bit more background, have a look at the resources on the area of a triangle and the area of a pitched roof. That's the sloping part of the wedge. As always, your comments, corrections, and suggestions are welcome.